Hey everybody, it's Eddie and I'm here in our kitchen and I am cooking for you today. I'm going to make a quick snack for you guys. Not that I really want it, but I know somebody else would. So we're going to use our Avalon air fryer that takes no oil. But this might have a little bit of oil in it. So what we're going to do is we're going to make asparagus wrapped bacon, or is it bacon wrapped asparagus? I think it's bacon wrapped asparagus. So I've already taken the asparagus, cut the ends off, and just took regular bacon and wrapped them up. I took about 3 or 4 pieces each, or 3 or 4 stalks of asparagus with 1 strip of bacon. And I'll show you what that looks like right here. As you can see, we are missing some right here. And the reason is, we are right here using our Avalon. So right now I'm currently using the 360 degree, and I have it here for 14 minutes. I'm going to pull this out real quick so you guys can take a quick look at what these look like. I think it's going to probably be about 7.5 minutes or so. So this is just the first batch to see how it comes out. We will come back. Oop, you have to push this play button again. We will come back and I'll show you the final product when we're done. Okay guys, so here we are. Nice and crispy bacon wrapped asparagus done in the Avalon air fryer for a total of 14 minutes at the temperature of 360 degrees. What I did do at the beginning was preheated the Avalon for about 5 minutes at the same 360 degrees. So here is the first Cook with Eddie video that you'll be seeing on Juli's channel in the next few weeks. Take care guys, we'll see you soon.